with Shelly. I'm new here and I hope you will give me a little bit of grace because I do stumble with my words sometimes. But enough of that. Today we're going to start sowing pot plants from seed. So I went online and ordered some seeds, and my God, are they expensive. They're $20 for 5. So I'm going to show you what they look like. I'm just grabbing my little seed container box. So I do have some here that I harvested from actual pot plants, but I wanted to try some of the ones that they sell in the cannabis stores here in Canada. It's legal here. We're allowed up to, I believe, 4 plants. And it's legal here to use it as recreational, but no drinking and driving or using marijuana while driving or using machinery. So this is how they come in a little vial. And I will show you what they look like. So apparently these will take the plant. They've been tested somehow. They're called pink lemonade. I don't know if they taste like pink lemonade. I usually just plant regular old pot plants. I don't use them. I just use them for foliage in my garden because it does have a very pretty leaf. So anyway, I'm going to take them out and show you what they look like. We're only going to do 3 of them, and I'm going to save the other 2 for probably next year. Okay, let's do this. So, they're very tiny, as you can see. I just wanted to show you, they're just very, very tiny. So what we're going to do is I have a little container with some paper towel in it. And we're going to soak the paper towel just like so. And we're going to put a seed, not close together because you want them to sprout their root. And we're going to get another piece of paper towel right here, and we're going to fold it in half and place it inside. Now we're going to push it down, and then we're going to add more water, just like so. Now this will have to go under grow lights. It usually takes 7 to 10 days, pardon me, before we can plant into a starting pot. So each day I'll come down and make sure that there's plenty of water, as long as when you touch it, you can see the water squishing out. Over on this one side, we don't have enough. So we're gonna add a little bit more. And there you go. So, and then we just take that. Now I can either put it in a small greenhouse or on a warming. I think I'm going to start it off on the warming and see how it goes. So within a day or 2 it should start to sprout, but it won't be ready for planting for 7 to 10 days. We just put it here on the warming pad. So I will show you every day the process, and from the first little sprout to right to when we plant it and put it in our greenhouse over here, and then once we put it into the ground. So I just want to thank you once again for joining me at Gardening with Shelly. If you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe. The button here, here, or here. I'm not sure where we're going to put it. Leave a comment. or just say hi. Once again, gardening with Shelly. Have a great day. Well, this is a small greenhouse, and we're going to go down here onto the heated mat and bring out our pot plants and see how they're doing. So, here we go. I'm going to lift this up. Oh, I have one stuck. Two. Well, that's the outer casing. So they're ready to be planted. We have the little root already started. So this is 7 days of on a paper towel with water to bring out the little root. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them in their pots. So I already have 2 pots here waiting, and I have put 4-10-4 starter fertilizer in it, and we are going to go and plant them. So we're just going to make sure our soil is nice and dry at first, and we're just going to make a little hole, and you're going to carefully pick up this, spray it in the top like so, and then we're going to, this is the pot plant with its little root, so you're going to pick it up gently. We're going to have a hole already in our soil. There's our little root already started. It took 7 days. We're just going to put it in there. Just cover it over. And then we're going to get some mica. Sprinkle a little bit on top. It's already been mixed in the soil with 4-10-4 starter fertilizer. We'll move our little tray. We're going to get our spray bottle. I'm just going to give it a good spray on top. Got some water down there to the root. You don't want to give it too much water. Just enough to get down to that root. It's only about 2 inches down into the soil. And we'll spray it back again. And then we're going to take it and put it on our heating mat. We could put it in our little greenhouse. Actually, let's put it in our little greenhouse on the heated mat. Put that one there. Let's go get our other one. So we should see sprouts within another 7 to 12 days through the soil. And these are called lemonade, pink lemonade. So here in Canada, we are allowed to have up to 4 plants in our garden. It is quite legal here. I like to grow them from my garden because the leaves give so much foliage and it looks like a tree, because for some reason I'm able to grow them quite large. As long as I've been doing them. Oh, water came out. We'll just give a little bit of water. We'll clean that up. So the leaves are quite pretty, and it's quite pretty foliage. Now I don't really use them. We burn them at the end of the year after I get the seeds off. So let me show you around. So here is all my starter plants. These are my petunias. And this is 7 days of germination. I have some more down here. I have one, if you look really close. They're called tea roses from Japan. I have one white lilac coming up, and I see a few little sprouts coming through the soil. Camera really can't pick them up. We have some hibiscus coming up. That's after 7 days. The lupins will take another few more days. So that is how you start pot plants in Canada. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe to Gardening with Shelly. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.